Good afternoon,
Hi,
Asra ma'am.
hi Tanishka, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing good as well. Thank you so much for asking. Okay, you're too young, okay? Tell me why why do you want to improve your English?
I want to improve because I want to improve English speaking skills and speak fluent. And yeah, I have passion to speak English. So first of all, let's introduce ourselves. So please introduce yourself, ma'am.
Definitely. My name is Asra, as you're already aware, and I was born in Delhi, but I've been staying in Malaysia. And I will be your trainer for today. Really happy to glad you in the session. You know, you're my first student who's this young. I've never taught a young child like this one. So you tell me, please, can you please introduce yourself as well?
Yes, so my name is Sanishka. I'm 9 years old and study in fourth standard. My hobbies are to read stories, playing skates, and yeah, many more. So I'm from Maharashtra, district Pune. So there is channel on YouTube. My channel name is English with Sanishka. Yeah, that's
Oh,
all
you
about
already
me.
have a YouTube channel?
Yes.
Okay. Let me see. Let me see. I want to see. Okay. Wait. Oh, it's here. You're here, right?
Yes.
Oh, so I'm talking to a celebrity, is it?
I'm a learner.
Okay. Let's put it like that. Okay. So shall we start a session?
Yes.
All right. So let me take you back to for some years. Do you remember the time when we were dealing with the pandemic? Do you remember the name of the pandemic?
Corona.
Very good. There was Corona. There was another name for Corona. Do you remember it?
COVID.
Very good. COVID-19. So you remember it. Now, let me take you back to that time. Tell me, did you enjoy that time or you felt really bored and scared? How was your feeling there?
That time I was too small and I was not going school also that time. I was small. So I don't remember what I did.
All right. Now, are you somebody who likes trees and animals?
I love that. I love nature, the trees, fresh air, and the birds singing the song, flying everywhere.
And why do you think trees are important for us? Are they important or they're not important?
They're important. How, if there were no trees, how we can breathe? They give us
Right.
oxygen.
They give us oxygen. So, the next question is if we cut too many trees, what will happen according to you?
There will the birds birds will flew away to
The
another
birds will
place.
fly away, fly away.
The birds will fly away another place. There will so much less trees, and the nature, the beautiful will be less. And then we cannot. The oxygen will be also a little bit dealing trees, and like that happens.
Definitely, that will happen. If we cut a lot of trees, the birds will have no place to stay. You know, you will not be able to find squirrels, and it will be
And
difficult for us also. Yeah, go ahead. And
and we cannot get the fresh fruits from trees.
definitely, we will not be able to get the fresh fruit from trees. Okay, I want to teach you a word, Tanishka, okay? Something which is without any mixture of other substances is called fresh, as you already told me, right? But what if we add a lot of, extra substance to food? Then it becomes
Unfresh,
unfresh. That is also correct. But the word is adulterated.
adulterated,
Perfect.
adulterated.
Very good. And what does that mean?
It means that is something like adding something substance, like you said, and that is unfresh.
Definitely. For example, um, when you go out, what is your favorite fast food to eat?
When I go out, I love water balls.
Really? You really love water balls, and apart from that, what else? Do you like pizza? Do you like burgers?
Pizza.
Like pizza? So, pizza is also made with a lot of not natural things. So it is adulterated. What is it?
It is adulterated.
Very
Like outside pizzas, there are some toppings like some vegetables. So there are preservative.
definitely. And the food becomes adulterated. And you used vegetables, right? You said vegetables, correct?
Vegetables.
That's
Vegetables.
vegetables. Very good. So you know it. It's vegetables, not vegetable. Okay?
But sometimes it happens by me.
It's okay, baby. We all are learning, so you can just keep on learning, right? So you tell me, Tanishka, do you save water? Do you tell your mother to save water, your father to save water, your friends to save water? Do you all save water?
Yes, we save water and I also save water.
And how do you save water?
I save water like when the water comes at morning, I like keep the water in some buckets like that.
And you can also do anything, Tanishka. Like right now, you're learning English. You also have a YouTube channel, so you're like a tigress, right? So Tanishka is a tigress, is it?
Yes, thank you
Okay.
ma'am for saying that.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, so where does the tiger live?
The tiger live in a cave.
It lives in the cave. And where does it live? Does it live in a jungle or does it live in a zoo? Or can we keep it in a house?
No, not in house, but you can. He can. If there are free tigers, they can live in forest, jungle. But if they have, but there is a zoo. They keep the tigers in zoo also.
Definitely. And do you think that keeping a tiger in a zoo is the right thing to do?
No, it's not right to thing to do because there the nature make them to free them and live in a jungle.
The nature makes them free. The nature made them free.
Yeah, the natures make them free, and their place is to live in the jungle and forest. If we were in a cage, we are human. Our place is to live in a home. If we were in a jungle, if we were in a cage, how we could feel. So we also don't have to keep the animals in a cage and keep them unsafe, or their place is not in the home or in a zoo.
And but then why do you think people like to keep animals in cage? Why do you think? We like to keep the birds in small cages. We like to keep the fish in small ponds or aquariums. Why do we like to cage people? Why do we like to cage animals?
Because the zoo people wants to earn money. They do
Very
not
good. That's
feel,
correct.
they don't have the feelings of animals, or they don't feel like we should not do like that. So they have the feelings of money to earn money and get the money.
Okay. And do you think it's the right thing to do?
No, I don't think so.
Definitely, it's a bad thing to do because you're taking the freedom of one animal just to earn money, right? So that's bad. Definitely. Okay, so you tell me, how can we take care of animals? Like, let's say you have a cat near your house. How can you take care of a cat?
I can take care of a cat. Like I will give her a small space. I can take care of her. I can give. I will give a fresh food to her, and I will give fresh milk to her to drink. And yeah, I will keep her safe. I will give her injection and not make her sick.
These animals, like birds, they are there to fly in the sky, right? If you hold them in a small cage, you're taking away their freedom. So think about, like, somebody takes Tanishka and keeps her in a box. Will Tanishka like her?
No, I will
Mhm.
not live in a box for a single 1 minute.
Exactly. So that is, your mother did the right thing, you should be thankful to her. She realized it and she freed the birds. Now the birds will be remembering Tanishka, that Tanishka helped me to go up in the sky. I love it. Okay. All right. If you could be any animal, okay? Let's say you were not Tanishka. Tanishka could choose to be an animal. Which animal will Tanishka be?
Animal. I
Mm-hmm.
would be. I would be tiger.
Okay, just like you told me, because tigers are strong, they are protective, they can be anything. So I think you already are tiger, just a human tiger. Okay, and you tell me now, why is it important for us to be kind to animals? Like, for example, if you have a hungry dog near your house, do you feed it or you don't feed it?
I will feed it. I will feed it, but that's not my routine to feed them because they're not my pet. There's somebody's pet. So, but I will feed like when something is I'm going like that. I can feed it sometimes, but I don't have the dog near me.
Okay, so if you can't feed a dog, you might have seen a lot of people when they're on road, they kick the dog. They would like not be kind to animals. They would kick the cows. So I think if we are not able to feed them, we should also not be cruel towards them. Do you agree?
Yes, we should not give hurt to them. We should ignore her like that, not to
Yeah,
do anything that would hurt others.
definitely. And let me teach you something. You can tell everybody that kindness is a virtue. Okay, I think it's a bit old for you. Okay, kindness is a virtue. Whenever somebody says that why do we need to be kind, you can always say kindness is a virtue. Now, do you know what is the meaning of virtue?
Virtue, I think so. Like it's something that's it is like other people see at us, and like we are too kind to them, and they also be kind to us, like
Very
that.
good, Tanishka. Perfect. It means it's a very good quality. So when somebody asks you, Tanishka, why do we need to be kind? So what will you say?
The kind is a virtue.
Kindness is a virtue. Kindness is a virtue, right? Okay. Can you
Kindness
tell
is
me?
a virtue.
Very good. Tanishka, on this note, I'm going to ask you a riddle, okay? It's a very interesting riddle. Let me see if you can solve it. And then we call it a day, okay? Okay.
Okay,
All right. How do you keep a goat into a fridge in 3 steps?
in three steps. Okay,
Yeah,
I
three
will keep a
steps.
goat. I will open the fridge first, fridge door, then keep him,
Mhm. Keep it.
keep it, and then close the door.
Very good, very good. That's correct. Now, how do we keep an elephant into a fridge in 4 steps?
In four steps. Okay.
Mhm.
First, I will open the door, then take
Okay.
out the boat, then take
Oh,
out
you
the
know this
plate,
one.
and
Correct.
put the elephant in the fridge, and
Uh-huh.
then close the door.
Very good. Okay. So now the lion was getting married, okay? The lion was getting married, and all the animals were invited. Every animal attended the
I
wedding
know, I
except
know.
what was it?
Except elephant,
Why?
because elephant was in a fridge. How would he come in the
Very good.
party?
That's correct. That's correct. So you know this riddle. Do you want to ask one riddle to ma'am?
Yes, I know a riddle one.
Go ahead.
So,
Go ahead.
there was a house which was in a round shape. So there was a mother and her three children. There in a jar there were cookies, and the mother went to a market to buy some vegetables. When she
Vegetables.
returned,
Hmm.
yeah, vegetables. When she returned, the jar was not the jar. The cookies were empty, and from the jar. And then she asked to her three children. First children said, first child said, I was playing outside. Then she asked second child. The second child said, I was doing my study. Then she asked to third child. And then the third child said, I was sitting in the corner and reading the book. So who ate the cookie?
Wait a minute. Wasn't the house circular in shape and then circle does not have corners?
Yes, that's right. The house that was that the riddle. Like I asked, I still in the first that the house was in a round shape.
Very good, Tanishka. That was a very nice riddle, huh? Okay. With this, we come to an end for this session.